So let's look at access. In order to use the system, you must be identified as a data manager in OEDS prior to having access to the K-Ready system as a data manager. Once you are set up as a data manager in OEDS, your information is then sent to the software developer to create your account. You will receive an email once the account is ready. Be sure to watch for this email. The link in this email to set your password is only live for 24 hours. Be sure to check your spam folders if no message is received in the appropriate time frame. Once you have your credentials, this is how you access the K-Ready system. You'll go to the link there, ohio.kready.org. You'll enter your username and password, click login. If for some reason you forget your password or you did not receive it, you can click recover your password and receive instructions on how to reset that password. You'll notice here on the screen that there are also downloads available. There are 3 app download buttons on the main login screen. Those are the K-Ready app, the KRA app, the ELA app, and the K-Ready File Watcher. And we'll talk a little bit more about the K-Ready File Watcher later on in this presentation. So once you click Login, this is the welcome screen. And this is where data managers are able to access their dashboard. If you click on Administration in the top of the screen, you'll be able to access the data manager dashboard. This is the data manager dashboard, and it's arranged in this way. It has a series of links and options, features that you as a data manager have access to. And so we'll go through these areas. The very first area here is the organizations. Now, organizations are those schools, preschools, and daycare centers that are listed in the system. This section provides a list of those organizations and regions that the data manager has access to. And these are typically at the district or larger organizational level and may contain multiple sites or buildings within those. Next, we have data collections, and this is the section that provides a view of the active data collections connected with your data manager account. This is also where you can find the current data token, and we'll talk more about that as well. Next, we have users, and this provides access to view and edit user information. And just a side note here, the users in the system are the data managers and teachers and building administrators, not students. So again, this is where, as a data manager, you have access to edit the information for those 3 groups. Next, we have students, and this provides a view of all students associated with the specific location and data collection period. Next, we have transfers. This is the area that provides access to viewing and managing student transfer requests made by you and other locations. We also have the bulk loader, and this is the area for uploading student, teacher, and enrollment data in the K-Ready system at one time using a single file. Next, we have reports. This is the area that allows you to access a list of specific reports for the current assessment window. Here, you'll be able to view data downloads, the ELA, SKB, and LP reports for students. And then lastly, we have archives. And this provides access to reports that were downloaded for the previous data collection. This is where you would have access to any reports that were downloaded during the previous assessment window.